Many students take commerce either out of fear of science or considering commerce is easy. But soon they start their 11th and realize that concepts like accounts and economics are harder than they thought and are more concept heavy. In this video, we will discuss on what to expect in 11th and 12th if you have taken commerce. What are the most difficult concepts of commerce and how you can start preparing for them early. How you can use these holidays effectively, which can help you in your 12th board exams in commerce. Let us start by understanding the reality of commerce stream. In reality, commerce is not meant for weak students and it is not easy. It requires a lot of analytical and logical thinking, daily practice, and a lot of understanding of basic maths. Students who practice regularly perform much better in the commerce stream. Let us look at what are the difficult concepts in accountancy. Accountancy is the core subject of commerce, and lack of confidence or not understanding concepts here can cause you huge problem in future. The most difficult concepts are usually journal entries, depreciation, financial statements, and partnership account. The strategy to tackle this is practice problems daily. Understand what each entry is made and when it is made and where it is made. Understand the accountancy rules much clearly. Solve previous year board questions, and accounts become easy if you practice consistently. In economics, the difficulty would be divided in two parts. In microeconomics, understanding supply and demand with their graphs and elasticity of the markets is most important. Understand the concept here and how you should interpret these graphs. In macroeconomics, national income, money and banking become a little tough concepts. So revise them frequently, make notes and understand with real world examples. Business studies is a theory based subject. So practice cases as you go, make short notes and revise case studies. This subject becomes easier with regular revision. How you can use your holidays effectively. Practice account problems every day. This strengthens your numerical skills and understandings where entries just flow and you're not thinking much about it. Do not create a confusion about where the entry would go. Rather, understand the concept so that it happens naturally when you start to put entries in. Revise economic topics with graphs and concepts every day. Complete the syllabus early and keep the end for only practice. Remember, even here, 11th is the base for 12th. You wouldn't understand most of the accounting if you haven't done 11th well enough. Understanding the basics of accounting so that you can go deeper in 12th is only the key of success. And if you're planning to do professional courses like CA, CMA, etc., accounting basics are essential for everything. So focus well and understand from the fundamentals. So your success in commerce ultimately depends on your ability to understand accounting well and understand the fundamentals and rules properly. Regular concept clarity in economics and understanding what happens in each situation. Remember, economics is the science behind the entire commerce stream, so treat it like one and study on the concept base. Regular revision in business studies and it should keep you in a good place for your 12th board exams. This is how you would go about your commerce preparation and what you could expect in your 11th and 12th if you had taken commerce. Like this video if this has helped you, share it with your other friends and subscribe to the channel. Until then, this is Gayatri signing off. See you in the next one.